This is the Americolor Gel Deep Pink food coloring, and I'm testing out a whole bunch of these today, and I'm really impressed with the saturation of these colors. I'm only putting this in a 1/4 cup of icing, and then I'm doing 1 drop, 2 drops, and 3 drops, but you get really good saturated colors even with just a little bit. So you could easily make this more pastel and lighter if you were using a larger amount of icing to start with, and just put a couple drops in there to get started. But it doesn't take much to go from this to this, and I'm honestly very impressed with how saturated these colors are without having to use a ton of food coloring. You can, now with the reds, I would say the reds might tend to fade out a little bit, but it's usually not that bad. And if you leave this to sit overnight, it's going to get even a little bit darker than this and a little more saturated. But this is a really good, this would be a good color for Valentine's Day cakes or for baby showers, or if you do a lighter version of this one, it could be a nice pastel for a wedding cake or piping on something like that. So yeah, I'm very impressed with these, and that's what these colors look like.